Yep. Yeah, because that bucket, we have never ever had ice sitting in that bucket like that. It has been frozen for 2 weeks straight.
New bulbs that we bought, were they the Santa Silvers? I can't remember.
No, I think
Oh,
it should be the
first
rum,
steps.
these, yeah.
Yeah.